In this tutorial, we'll explore matrix playlists in Screenberry. This feature offers a powerful way to manage and control media playback using a grid-like interface, allowing you to coordinate and synchronize multiple media sequences across different video outputs. To create a new matrix playlist, right-click and select Add Matrix Playlist from the context menu, or click the plus button in the bottom toolbar and choose Add Matrix Playlist. You can create multiple matrix playlists within a single media player, each editable and arranged independently. Adding media to the grid works much like adding items to a standard playlist. You can drag files directly from your computer folder or copy them from the media library. Let's close the media library for now. You can also copy media items from another playlist or from a timeline. The matrix playlist interface is straightforward. Rows represent video outputs, while columns let you synchronize playback of media items arranged across those outputs. You can rearrange media items in the grid by selecting single or multiple items and dragging them to a new location. As you drag, their relative positions are preserved and the target cells are highlighted, showing exactly where the items will land. Keep in mind, any media already in those cells will be replaced. This overwrite behavior also applies when you duplicate or split media items. In both cases, the duplicate or split copy is placed in the cell immediately after the original, replacing any existing content in that cell. As with regular playlists, you can access media item settings in two ways: through the side panel, which displays settings when an item is selected, or via a dialog box available from the context menu. If you haven't seen the tutorial on playlists yet, be sure to check it out for more details on the different media item settings. Matrix playlists offer flexible playback options, whether you need to play individual items, entire rows, or columns. Use the play, pause, and stop buttons for general control. To start playback of specific items, select the item or group of items and click Play Selected. Alternatively, hold Alt and click directly on an item to start playback. You can control playback of a specific row using the play, pause, or stop buttons in the row header. For column playback, right-click the column header and select Play Column, or hold Alt and click the header to start playback directly. Other controls include the lock button to prevent accidental use of playback controls and the Reveal Active Item button to locate and highlight the currently playing items quickly. Matrix playlists offer flexible options for customizing the visual layout. Use the slider in the top right corner to resize thumbnails. Choose between square, wide, or tall aspect ratios. Toggle fit thumbnails or show names for better identification or a cleaner look. Each row in a matrix playlist corresponds to a video output. By default, a media player has only one. To configure multiple outputs, switch to the node graph, select the media player node, and adjust the number of video outputs. Link the output pins to the relevant output nodes, such as display nodes. Select the display nodes and control-click the canvas node to connect them all at once. To view the result of our setup, first enable the preview output on the canvas node. Then, add a video preview node and connect it. Now we can create a simple composition where one display acts as the background and the others are placed over it. This is done by adjusting the scale and position values for each display. Then, switch back to the media player to start playback and see the composition in action. Matrix playlists in Screenberry are a powerful tool for managing and synchronizing media playback across multiple outputs. Take some time to experiment with the interface and settings. If you have any questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Enjoy creating with Screenberry.